Now let's take a closer look inside the Biosand filter to understand how it works. The biolayer is at the top of the sand in the Biosand filter, where many microorganisms live. You can't see them because they are too small. As you keep using the Biosand filter, more and more of the microorganisms gather in the biolayer. This is good. The Biosand filter needs lots of microorganisms to work properly. But some microorganisms, called pathogens, are dangerous and make us sick. The Biosand filter's main job is to remove these pathogens from the water. This happens in the biolayer and the sand in different ways. One way is in the biolayer where microorganisms eat each other. This is how some of the pathogens in the water are killed. When you first set up the Biosand filter, there aren't any microorganisms living in the biolayer, so not as many pathogens are killed. But after 30 days, the biolayer is fully grown, and lots of microorganisms are eating up lots of pathogens. That's the time when the biolayer is really effective. Another way the Biosand filter removes pathogens is in the deep sand. Some pathogens get trapped between the tiny grains of sand, or they get stuck to the sand. Most of the remaining pathogens die. So now you should understand how the biolayer and the sand remove pathogens from the water.